Welcome back, kids. Today we will see English subject, and here we are going to learn unit number 6 and lesson number 3, 6.3, buying things. But before the start this lesson, I want to ask one question. Do you like to go to shopping? Yes, I know your answer is yes. I also like to go to shopping. Okay, so here, can you tell me from where we buy some things? Yes, from market or from shop. Nowadays, we can also purchase something which we want from home. Yes or not? What is this? This is online shopping. With the help of this mobile, we can purchase many things which we want. Yes or not? So in this lesson, we will see which things are here to buy. Okay? So look here. We will see this lesson one by one paragraph. First exercise is here. Listen and read. Okay? So I will read the lesson and explain it. Soham and Reva are going to a shop with their parents. What a big shop! Mother wanted to buy some things. Father wanted to buy some things. How about you, children? Do you want to buy some things on your own? Here is some money. You can use it to buy anything you like. Now in this lesson, Soham and Reva went to the shop with their parents. Okay, and they also surprised that what a big shop. Soham and Reva get surprised. What a big shop. Okay, and they feel happy. In the shop, mother wanted to buy something and father also wanted to buy something. यहाँ पे उनके मदर को भी कुछ खरीदना था और फादर को भी. After that, the parents asked them children, means Soham and Reva, do you want to buy something? Take this money and purchase or buy anything you like. Means ये पैसे लो, अगर तुम्हें कुछ खरीदना है तुम्हारे चॉइस से या तुम्हें जो पसंद है वो तो खरीद लो. Okay, so next paragraph is here. Here we can see a picture. Here is Soham and Reva, and they are confused. Which thing should they buy? Okay, so look here. Shall we buy chocolates? Shall we buy crayons? Shall we buy a toy? Look here, toy, chocolate, crayon. Now they are confused what they should buy. Now please help us, mother. What should we buy? Okay. Now they are confused and they went to their mother and said her, please help us. What should we buy? कि हम क्या खरीदे, please हमें मदद करो. Then the mother said, well, you can buy something that will finish up quickly, or you can buy something that will last long. You can buy something made by others, or you can buy things and make something yourself. Now their mother suggests them, you can buy some things which are finish up quickly, or some things which are last long. You can use last long, and also you can buy some things which are made by others, means these are ready-made things, which are ready-made things. Okay, and also you can purchase the things, raw things. With help of these things you can make a new thing. You can make a new thing. Okay, so their mother suggests them 4 options here. Okay, ready-made things, or take a raw material and then make a new things, or purchase some things which are finished up quickly, or purchase some things which are long last. Okay, so we will see third paragraph here. What they do here? Now both are said that's a good idea. Let's buy things and make new things with them. Now they decide to buy some things which are used to make a new thing. Okay, Soham and Reva pick up some things. They went to the counter. We want to buy this paper, glue and colors. How much is it? 95 rupees in all. Here is the money, 100 rupees. Thank you, I must give you 5 rupees back. Here it is. That's right, thank you. Now look here in this third paragraph, we can see Soham and Reva buy some things which are useful to make a new thing. Okay, what is this? Soham and Reva pick up some things. They went to the counter and they purchase paper, glue, colors. Okay, and they went to the counter. Here is a counter lady. Look here. And they went to the counter and said to the counter lady, we want to buy these things. Then how much is it? Means tell the price. Okay. Then the lady said 95 rupees in all. Then the Soham and Reva give 100 rupees to the counter lady. And the counter lady said, thank you, I must give you return 5 rupees because they give 100 rupees and the total price is 95 rupees of these things. So the counter lady gave them 5 rupees return. Okay, and then they said, that's right, thank you. Okay, means you can also purchase or buy some things from the shop. When you went with your parents, that time you can also purchase or buy some things. Okay, as you like. Now we will see here some words. Here is exercise number 2. Look and say. First word is OWN, own. MONEY, money. ANYTHING, anything. BUY, buy. FINISH, finish. IDEA, idea. COUNTER, counter. PAPER, paper. COLOURS, colors. MUST, must. PICKED, peak. QUICKLY, quickly. SHOP, shop. LAST, last. Okay, so you have to write these words in your notebook 5 times. Okay, now here 4th number exercise. What is this? Read and incomplete the following table. Now in the last lesson also we have seen one and many. Now here is column of one and the second column of many. Okay, now first is shop, so many in shops. Thing, so again we add here s, it's things. Then toy, toys. Chocolate, chocolates. Rupee, rupees. Crayon, crayons. Color, colors. In many, colors. In crayon, crayons. Idea, ideas. Paper, papers. Parent, parents. In each word we should add s to get many word. Okay, shop, shops. Thing, things. Toy, toys. Chocolate, chocolates. Rupee, rupees. Crayon, crayons. Color, colors. Ideas, paper, papers. Then parent, parents. Okay, so you should add s in each word in the many column. Okay, and then write. So your homework is solve exercises number 3, 5 and 6 which are given on textbook page number 58, and also write these words 5 times. Okay, so I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you. Bye.